Don't do it, guys. Don't place trades based on what you see here. Please consult your own financial advisors and do your own due diligence. All right, with that said, let's go. Another interesting day, another all-time high over here for this Robinhood account. Let's start with just a little overview of what happened today. Oil up a couple percent, really pretty big move. I have one company that's kind of related to gas, which is OGS. One gas, that's what it's called right here, up 1%. Um, Now gold and silver were up. Silver's up 2.8%, but EXK, my boys at Endeavor, only up 1.6. Usually the miners are kind of a leveraged play, so it's a little bit worrisome. Although EXK did not drop when silver had its big drop, so it kind of makes up for it, I guess. I'm not sure what the miners are expecting. I think the traders are expecting, the investors. I think they're just kind of holding put for the time being, even though the metals are scraping down at the very, very bottom and scoring some new all-time low moves um, for the all-time price points for this move. I think the miners are currently on standby. In fact, today I just bought uh, just 13 shares of Wheaton Precious Metals, formerly known as Wheaton Silver. So, what else happened today? Let's see, to help me score these new all-time highs. Well, uranium stocks, Cameco was up another 0.5%. URA is virtually flat. Amazon, Apple almost flat, just up a third of a percent. Um, UUUU is up 1.5%. So a tiny bit of small movers here. China's down 0.5%, but JD is up 2.6. A few small moves here and there, and overall positive picture here. The biggest contributor, I think, was this. The EXK put got devalued by a little bit. That's a $65 swing right there, rightfully so. And everything else was actually pretty calm. Things in the news. Tesla, Elon Musk is getting a new hole ripped into him. You know, he's got charges by the SEC. SEC stands for Security and Exchange Commission. So they're kind of like the watchdogs, the regulators of the financial markets, the public markets. So they are charging him with, I guess the tweets. I don't know what kind of counts. I'm not a legal expert, but I'm guessing it's tweet. The tweet he was trying to manipulate the price of the stock because he's famously anti-shorts. He doesn't like when people sell his stock, so he tries to get at him all the time, and he talks trash on Twitter all the time, and a bit of a poser. But now he's getting in trouble for his tweet that he was planning on taking the company private at a certain price, and there was a spike, then a sell-off, so he's getting sued. Now, Ford is doing all right. Anything else that's notable? Oh, well, by the way, you noticed the white screen, so I'm doing this during the day. It's 2:39 p.m. right now, September 28th, Friday. Exciting, exciting times. Um, what else in the market is the 10-year is staying put at 3.06% after it touched, 3.1 not too long ago. So, that's still it just tells me everybody's just kind of holding and waiting at the moment. It was a Forgiving Friday, like I predicted yesterday. It was kind of going to be a Forgiving Friday, about 160 on the day, which is nice for this new all-time high close, weekly close, daily close, and a new intraday high of 36,417 and 8 cents. Things that will happen that I'm looking forward to is dividends. Look at how many dividends I'm going to be getting. You see this? because it's the end of the quarter. So you see, $18 here, $5 here. It's just it's smaller dividends, but they add up to a decent amount over time. So I'm looking forward to receiving those. I got the big $30 dividend over here from the emerging market fund not too long ago. So quarter end dividends are always nice. Because a lot of the stocks and funds pay quarterly instead of monthly, so you get hit with a big one. So we'll see if we can score even higher all-time highs this month. It's been a great month though. It started off a bit rocky, but then it recouped. Let me pull up the 1 month chart. Yeah, it started off a little bit rocky here. I was down, at the 35, even in the 34,000s for a little bit, and now we're climbing back up over 36,000 decisively. So I'm excited about that. I've been making slowly some money on these option sells. The Cameco ones. Two of them are execute. One of them is executing overnight, over the weekends. I'm going to be buying. I'm sorry, selling 1,000 shares of Cameco at $10, which is you think it's a loss, but the thing is, I had to buy 1,000 shares at $10, and I got paid $10 to do it, and now I'm just selling those shares back into the market at $10 for $10. So I've just collected $20 premium for that. So it's not really a loss. This is how the strategy, works, is being able to play both sides of the fence and have some capital allocated toward selling puts as well as selling calls. So you need to have stocks and you need to have cash, right? So let's see, over here, you can see I have $10,500 in collateral in cash and a bunch more of collateral via stocks. It doesn't show me what my collateral is, um, on the stock side, but it's pretty significant. It's pretty significant. So that is the overview of the portfolio. I'm excited about next week. I'll be thinking about trades over the weekend of what I should put money into next. I'm going to be receiving 1,000 from the expiration of one of the Cameco puts. So I might re-roll it again into more Cameco, but the the 10 the $10 put is getting a bit cheap now because it's at 11.40. So we're gonna have to review here. Let's take a look real quick what they're selling for right now. So for October 5th puts, the $11 one selling at $8. And yeah, this is inaccurate. Okay, well, so I might need better trade ideas. Maybe not. We'll find out if this is still a good. I have to run some numbers and see if this is a good idea still. But in any case, I want to divest a little bit from uranium since I'm trading uranium so heavily. Um, so I'll be looking for some new ideas. So I'll let you guys know what I come up with tomorrow. I'll be at work. I'll be thinking in the back of my mind and trying to decide what to do next. All right. Well, in any case, I'm really happy about this new all-time high, and hopefully next week is a good one as well. Um, we'll find out what happens. At the risk of running this too long and not having too much to say, I'm going to end it right here, and I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. All right. Peace out.